History of wooden animal art, ancient origins, prehistoric carvings. The tradition of carving animals from wood dates back to prehistoric times, with early humans creating totems and figurines for spiritual and cultural purposes. Cultural significance. Many ancient cultures believed that animals held spiritual significance, representing traits such as strength, wisdom, and protection. Wooden carvings were often used in rituals and as offerings. Evolution through the ages. Medieval period. In Europe, wood carving became a skilled craft during the medieval period, with artisans creating intricate sculptures and decorative pieces for churches and homes. Indigenous cultures. Native American tribes, as well as other indigenous cultures worldwide, utilized wood to create animal figures, often embedding these works with cultural meanings, stories, and beliefs. Modern developments. 20th century revival. The 20th century saw a resurgence in interest in folk art and handmade crafts, leading to a renewed appreciation for wooden animal art. Artisans began to explore traditional techniques while incorporating contemporary designs. Global influence. Today, wooden animal art reflects a blend of cultural styles, techniques, and influences from around the world, showcasing both traditional craftsmanship and modern aesthetics. Cultural significance, symbolism. Animals carved from wood often symbolize various traits, beliefs, or stories within different cultures. For example, owls might represent wisdom, while bears could symbolize strength and courage. Storytelling. Many wooden animal figures are part of larger narratives, conveying myths, fables, or cultural tales that are significant to a community or tradition. Art as heritage. In many indigenous cultures, animal carvings are a way to preserve heritage and pass down stories from one generation to the next. Folk art, characteristics. Folk art often features bright colors, simplistic forms, and whimsical designs. It reflects the everyday life and traditions of a community. Examples: carved wooden animals from regions like Scandinavia, Mexico, and the Appalachian Mountains are famous for their folk art styles. Realism, characteristics. Realistic wooden animal art focuses on accurate representations of animals, highlighting details like fur texture, facial expressions, and anatomical accuracy. Examples: artists may create lifelike sculptures of animals such as wolves, horses, and birds, often using techniques to mimic the natural appearance of the creatures. Abstract, characteristics. Abstract animal art may exaggerate forms, colors, or proportions, emphasizing artistic expression over realism. Examples: this style allows artists to interpret animals in unique ways, often focusing on shapes and colors rather than lifelike details. Techniques in wooden animal art. Carving, hand carving. Traditional carving techniques involve using chisels and knives to shape wood into animal forms. This method allows for intricate detailing. Power tools. Modern artisans may also use power tools to speed up the carving process, allowing for more complex designs. Wood selection. Types of wood. Common choices include softwoods like pine and cedar for their workability and hardwoods like oak and walnut for durability and aesthetics. Sustainability. Many artists prioritize sustainable sourcing, using reclaimed wood or sustainably harvested materials to reduce environmental impact. Finishing, staining and painting. Finished pieces may be stained or painted to enhance color and protect the wood. Some artisans use natural oils or wax for a more organic finish. Texturing. Techniques like sanding, burning, pyrography, or adding mixed media can create unique textures and visual effects. Where to find or create wooden animal art. Artisans and craft fairs. Local artisans. Visit craft fairs, farmers market. Characteristics of abstract-style wooden art. Form. Abstract wooden art often features non-representational shapes and forms that do not directly depict real animals. Instead, it captures the essence or spirit of the subject. Color. This style may incorporate vibrant colors or textures, using stains, paints, or natural finishes to enhance the visual impact. Composition. Artists often experiment with balance, symmetry, and negative space, creating dynamic compositions that draw the viewer's eye. Techniques used in abstract wooden art. Carving techniques. Freeform carving. Artists may carve freehand shapes that flow naturally, allowing for organic forms that suggest movement or emotion. Layering and assembly. Multiple pieces of wood can be layered or assembled to create depth, adding complexity to the design. Surface treatments, texturing. Techniques such as sanding, burning, pyrography, or adding mixed media can create interesting textures that enhance the overall aesthetic. Color application. Abstract art often employs bold stains or paints that can be applied in patterns or gradients, adding vibrancy to the piece. Examples of abstract-style wooden art. Geometric forms. Sculptures that use simple geometric shapes to represent animals or nature, focusing on angles and lines rather than realistic detail. Stylized representations. Carvings that suggest the form of an animal through exaggerated features or abstract outlines, such as a bird represented by flowing curves. Kinetic art. Abstract pieces that incorporate movement, such as mobiles or sculptures that spin or sway, emphasizing fluidity. Cultural significance. Emotional expression. Abstract art often conveys emotions or concepts rather than literal interpretations, allowing artists to express personal or cultural narratives. Modern interpretation. This style reflects contemporary artistic movements that prioritize innovation and reinterpretation of traditional subjects, encouraging viewers to engage.